to TechSpace, everybody, and in this video we're going to be going over Facebook covers and how to create them. So my Facebook cover is pretty simple. I'll show you it here in a second, but what you're going to want to do first is go to Photor.com and the link in the description, click on design, and then you're going to be brought to a page. You're going to click on Facebook cover, and we're going to go from there. So I'm going to show you my Facebook cover as well, just to give you a better understanding. You're going to want to click Facebook cover again right here. Let that load up. And again, on my Facebook cover, I spent a decent amount of time creating it, so it is, in my opinion, a decent cover when it comes to people. I'm not a graphic artist. I don't create graphics for a living, so I basically just created it by myself, and it came out pretty well. And Photor.com is the best website I found that you can create covers in, because it's just so simple. And what I mean by simple is that it has all the tools that you need already on it to go ahead and create every cover or any cover that you basically need. So here's my cover. If I can pull it up here. Here's my cover I created. This is the TechSpace's cover. Again, it has my Twitter handle on it and Instagram, but it's the TechSpace's header file for Twitter that I created using Photor. It looks very nice. The only thing I would complain about is all this free space around the edges. Could have probably filled it in with something, maybe more of an explanation of what the TechSpace is, which I might do later on, but this is what I created for Twitter. And again, this is for Facebook, but it's basically the same thing. What you're going to want to do is go to your Facebook cover page on Photor, and what we're going to do first is add a background. So click background. We're going to put this gray color in. We're going to import some stuff to make it look a little nicer. So we're going to start out with, and this is just an example to show you guys what you can do in Photor. We're going to start out with a simple image and get some vectors as well. A vector is an image without a background, so it doesn't disturb the photo. You can search vectors on Google and get your own vectors. But I have videos on how to create your own if you'd like to go check them out, and I also have videos on how to find your own vectors. So you can go check those out if you'd like, but I'm going to go ahead and add these ones in. So we're going to put this background in first so that we have a background picture. Sometimes it takes a second to load, so I'm going to go ahead and just put the text in first. So we're going to pretend we're making the TechSpace's Twitter, or not Twitter, sorry. We're going to pretend that we're making the TechSpace's Facebook header, and I'm just going to put the TechSpace as the title. We're going to change the font of it, make it look a little bit better. Change the color to make it stand out more. Make it a little bit bigger and put it in the middle of the screen. Now we're going to go ahead and see if these loaded in. So now that the images are loaded in, we can go ahead and put this image in our background. I know it's a person singing with a spotlight on them, but we're going to click on the photo. We're going to give it a layer. So you click layer, go to move down, and we're going to move it behind this text. We're going to stretch it out to go to the full header length. And there we go. So we have this person singing. We're going to add some vectors to show everybody that's going to our channel that we have social media, and they can follow us on social media. I'm just going to resize these and put them up here. And again, this is just an example of what you could create on Photor. If you need any help creating a header, just let me know and I'll help you out in creating one free of charge. You can either message me on Twitter, on Facebook, anything on social media. Just let me know. I'll help you create one. No problem. So basically, you can now see that we have social media, and we're going to add our Twitter handle like I had in my example, or in my header that I have. So we're going to add this text, change the color of it, change the font again, make it a little bit smaller, and put it right up here. So this is just an example again of what you could do on Photor to make a header, and that's basically it. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it, all the support you guys give me. Continue to watch my videos. I have tons of videos coming out. I'm working really hard on getting my YouTube channel up there, so please subscribe, please like the video if this helps you out in any way. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day, and check out the rest of my videos.